Are you tired of dealing with refrigerator issues? Say goodbye to your worries with the W10613606 refrigerator compressor start relay and capacitor. This replacement part is a game changer for Whirlpool and Kenmore refrigerators, effortlessly replacing W10416065, PS874652, and 67003186 models. What sets this start relay and capacitor apart? It's not just about boosting the compressor, it's about ensuring optimum performance and protection against excessive temperatures. With features like overload protection, you can trust that your appliance is in good hands. Compatibility? Checked. This versatile replacement fits various brands including Admiral, Amana, Caloric, Crosley, Inglis, Gen Air, and Magic Chef refrigerators. Installation is hassle-free. But don't forget to unplug your fridge and wear work gloves for safety. Worried about food spoilage during installation? Don't be. Safely store your perishables before the swap, and you're good to go. What's in the package? 3 refrigerator compressor start relays. That's right, you get triple the assurance and value for your money. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a homeowner looking for a reliable fix, the W10613606 refrigerator compressor start relay and capacitor is your ultimate solution. Don't let refrigerator troubles ruin your day. Get yours today and keep things cool. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.